Ever wish your phone could handle low battery automatically while you are asleep? Let's see how Android 16 make it happen. With this new preset routine, your Galaxy S25 Ultra can automatically turn on power saving mode and adjust setting when your battery is low. No manual step needed. To do so, go to setting, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the quick settings panel, and then tap settings icon. Scroll down the screen, tap mode and routine, tap discover, scroll down the screen. Under advanced routine section, tap low battery management. In the if section, the battery level is set to below 50%. If needed, you can tap it to set your own level. In the then section, if the phone detects you are sleeping, it will turn on power saving mode and turn off always on display. Otherwise, it will show a notification that says battery level is 50%. Charge your phone. In the when routine end section, both power saving and always on display will return to their previous state. Tap save to add the routine to your list. With this routine, now your phone automatically manages power when the battery gets low, smart and effortless. And that's how you can set up low battery management routine on your Galaxy S25 Ultra. It lets your phone take care of itself while saving your battery life. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.